thanks so much for being here as we kick off this celebration of 80 years of Dawn Plant operation.
The Dawn Plant is about as embedded in Pocatello as it can be. It's very visible from just about anywhere in town. Physically it's visible, but we're also out in the community a lot. The Dawn Plant employs over 400 people. That also doesn't take into account all of the contractors and local businesses that we use on a variety of projects and other things at the Dawn Plant.
Because we do truly go from the mine, Smoky Canyon, all the way through the Dawn Plant to farms and ranches and food processing facilities and to the consumer's plate like you and I. And what is unknown there is the importance of phosphate. Nearly every living cell in the world needs it, whether you're a plant, you're an animal, or human beings like you and I.
80 years ago, J.R. Simplot, the founder of our company, recognized the importance of crop nutrition. And from that, he committed to constructing the Dawn Plant and having the first fertilizer manufacturing facility for the company.
Mr. Simplot set this thing up. He believed in the importance of food and agriculture. And it's the most honorable industry in the world. There's nothing more compelling, nothing more important, but also nothing more humble. And that's a part of the Simplot company. We have to be humble in everything that we do.
We're fortunate in anything, it's that we get to not look at next quarter, but we get to look at the next generation. And with 80 years here in Pocatello, Dawn Plant, we're just getting started. And I can't tell you how grateful I am to be part of a company that when we sit down to make decisions, we've got a family that's focused on people, on relationships. That's incredible.
It was important for us to have people like President Wagner here, our county commissioners, our city mayors, our Chamber of Commerce, our United Way friends and partners. Those people mean a lot to us. And when you celebrate, you want to celebrate with people like that. We're going to celebrate all year long here in Pocatello. We've got multiple events. We're going to have events with our employees. But it's not something we want to just do in a vacuum. We want to celebrate it with the people that have helped make us successful too here.
This plant is older than I am, and it's kind of gratifying. I think I can live another 20 years and come to its 100th.
We're so grateful for the community support, but here's the reality. We have to earn your support every single day we come to work, period. We don't rely on yesterday. Every day we have to earn your support, and we are committed to doing it. So again, thank you for coming out. Thank you for being part of this. Thank you to the employees that make this run, and thank you to the family.